day 3 of the IWF, and I cannot believe I'm sitting here with one of the people instrumental in the rise of three-dimensional lamination. This is Heiner Wemhoner, whose machinery took this industry from basically garage shops of hobbyists to serious production. And it's an honor to have you here.
You honored me too much, Jenica. It's a little bit oversized, I would say. I'm here from the very beginning, this is correct. I'm here from the first Atlanta show on, but I was in Louisville, Kentucky before as well. So I'm a long time comer to United States, and I love it here. And we did good business, and the business came back.
Yeah.
This is very promising. I'm very happy to be here this year.
When membrane pressing in 3DL started, it was one white kitchen cabinet door after the next white kitchen cabinet door. And it's gone into industries that I certainly didn't expect, but what industries that 3DL is in have surprised you the most?
I think finally the touch with the solar industry. That was a completely different industry which I didn't know before. And it was surprising me, and we missed, unfortunately, in the beginning that interesting industry because they were looking for a vacuum press.
Right.
This was important, and you know, one of our good friend competitors was more clever than we at that time, so he was and still is in this business. We came late in and went early out.
Yeah.
But that was the most surprising new industry for this technology for me.
Yeah, completely different from furniture, of course.
Yes, different people, different investments. Everything is different.
Where in woodworking are you surprised to see three-dimensional components?
I think it's not anymore only in kitchen industry. I mean, it was very much important in the beginning for the kitchen industry, for kitchen doors, but particularly in Europe, the fashion for kitchen has changed a little bit. There are more high gloss, you know, there's more the countryside looking kitchen, so the design has changed. But fortunately there is a lot of space in this world for the application of thermal foils with a membrane press, with a vacuum press, so I'm very optimistic for the next couple of years.
I share your optimism. It is such an honor to have had you here today. Anyway, he's a rock star. We're glad to be here.
For me, it's really a pleasure to be here again and to see that everything is fine and running, and also the city has improved, I think, Atlanta.
Atlanta looks great. It's been a tremendous show here. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.